Hi there, this is Kat from We Are AG and welcome to our tutorial guide. Today I will help you set up your Authipay plugin for your WooCommerce site. Now before we begin, please prepare your license key, store ID, and shared secret. Okay? Now I pulled up here our support test site. So let's kick things off by installing and activating the plugin. So from your WordPress dashboard, please navigate to Plugins and click Add New Plugin. Now at the top, you will see an Upload Plugin button. Just click that and choose the file. And let's continue the installation. Alright, and then activate the plugin. So here, I want you to enter your license key to complete the activation. Alright, so welcome to our setup wizard for our Authipay plugin. Now, you can skip this for now and click I don't need help setting up as the setup is really straightforward. So you can continue watching this guide. Now, if you have encountered any issues during or after the setup, you can always go back and use this, okay? All right. So we're back to the dashboard. Now, please go to WooCommerce settings and then payments. All right. So from the list of payment methods here, please find the Authipay plugin and let's finish the setup. There you go. So this is our plugin settings page. Now, the first thing that we will do here is enable the plugin by ticking this checkbox here that says Enable AG AIB Authipay Checkout. And then we will now enter the store ID and shared secret. So just give me a second here. Now, for the store status, it actually depends on the credentials that you are using. And since I am using our test credentials, I'm going to stick with test environment. But if you are using your live credentials, please use the live store one, okay? Now, if you're wondering and you don't have a test credential yet, you don't have to worry. You can always request it from the Authipay team or from your account representative. And then the next thing that we will be selecting is the operation mode. Here, we have two types, so sale and pre-authorization. For pre-authorization, this will put orders on hold until payment is captured, while sale 1, this is the most used type, as this will immediately charge the customer. Okay, now once you already set this up, please don't forget to click the Save Change button at the bottom of the page. Okay. Now, since we're all done with the plugin settings, I want you to log in to your Authipay back office. Now, once you're logged in, please navigate to Customization and click this Define the URLs for the integration with your online store. When you click that, you will be prompted next to this page. So you will see this online store URL settings. Now, here, I want you to check that these 3 tick box here are ticked, and you can leave this URL field blank as this will be set automatically in the background by our plugin. Now, this setting is really important as this will ensure a smooth redirection during the checkout process. That's why I wanted you to double check this part. Now, one last thing to do before you switch to live mode is to do some test payment for the payment gateway. So let's go ahead and create a test order to make sure that the plugin has been integrated successfully to your WooCommerce site. So let me go ahead and add an item to the cart. Proceed to checkout. Alright, so I already filled this out. Now let's continue paying Authipay. Let me just copy our MasterCard number. And we do have other test cards that you can use. from our documentation, and you can find it on our website. Okay, so let's just wait a few seconds here. All right, so let's fill up this payment form quickly. So for the expiration date, you can choose any future date, any card code, or CVV. Let's continue. All right, just a second here. So we do have a successful order here. Now, once the tests that you did are all successful, you can confidently switch to live mode. And what if there is an error? You can always talk to our team by filling out our support form on the website. And we would love to assist you. All right. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you a wonderful day. Bye now.